Well, hello there, everybody. Hope you're doing grand. I'm Slotz&Tingz. I'm a low budget gambler. Yes, I put £10 for a slot and review it on the lowest minimum bet. So that's what it is. That's what we do. Buckle up, enjoy it. Credit crunch is here. If you're betting more than a quid, goddamn, you're good. Let's go. This is Pink Elephant. Sneeze. Managed to mute you. Gonna sneeze again. What an intro. Okay, so let's go. Pink Elephants Trinity. Ooh. Bit of an intro. Love it. We love an intro. Let's begin our journey. Is that a magical peanut? I think it looks like a fucking magical peanut. So let's set out the bet. 10p. Yes, let's do 100 spins. 100 spins. Love it. Let's go. £10 through, 100 spins. 10p a spin. Spacebar works. Let's see what it's got. In Cascade? No. So it's brand new. It's by Thunder Kickers, this. Hey, oh, Thunder's coming. Thunder, do it, Thunder. Nothing. It says win up to 14,440 times your bet. We'll take that. But very rare and far few between we get this stuff. Some jacks. That's his best win so far. Shocking. Peanuts seem magical. Peanuts must be the bonus symbol. Everybody knows Elephants likes peanuts. Oh, white monkey. Elephants. Are they wilds, the elephants? I don't know. Must be. Wild in a win, anyway. No. Maybe the wild activates them. Spin 25, quarter of the way through. Elephants. I think the wild activates the elephants. Or the peanut might do, I don't know. That's what I've gathered so far. Nice looking slot, isn't it? Really. Graphics are nice. Spins fast enough, but let's see if we can get any features out of it. 2 peanuts. Some 10s for a bit of a win. Spin 50 halfway through. £2.77 down. Put £5 through. £2.77 down. Okay. Update. Monkey. Woo. That's alright. That's a lot of monkeys. 292. 29x in monkeys. Take it. Needed a boost. Would like a screen of pink elephants, that's for sure. Monkey's paid well. Monkey. Oh, pink elephants. Here we go. If we'd have had a wild in between there, that would have been lovely. Pink elephants would have been in the room. I think, I'm not sure if the wild activates it. Or the peanut. Right, spin 75, sit rep. £7.50 in, 72 pence down. Doing all right. Oh, up. Elephants, let's go. Oh, peanuts. More peanuts. Fucking peanuts. Right, we got 8 free spins. Spin 77. Here we go. Is this real or are you dreaming? Let's find out. 8 free spins. Let's go. Cheetah. Oh. What's that at 21? Is it 21 peanuts we got to gather? Yeah, it is. Do you reckon it re-triggers at 21? I don't know. £1.8 in jacks. All right, take that. 5 to go. Hey-oh. All right, there's another 4 fucking peanuts, and we've got that wild square doing something. 2 spins left. Oh, come on, peanuts for days. Yes. Yes, okay. What did we get this time? An extra 3 spins? What? I haven't got a fucking clue what's going on. But we got an extra 3 spins from that, and we got another wild. Yeah, okay. This is bizarre as fuck, innit? There's another wild square. Do you reckon they're there on the last spin? 2 spins left. No more peanuts. Oh, we got some peanuts. Come on, peanuts. Oh, that's a double wild. That's a wild on a wild square. You're a natural, it says. That stays a constant wild now. Oh, lightning. Peanuts. Re-trigger peanuts. Alright, we didn't get a respin or anything else like that. Exciting towards the end though. What did we actually get? £2.54. Monkey. Let's carry on. £1.52 up. Can we make it to the end in a profit? This is the gamble, isn't it? Right, spin 90, we've got 10 spins left. Overall, not a bad little slot, is it, really? Plays pretty fair. If we don't get a win, we're going to leave just slightly negative. But we'll take that. Spin 99, definitely feeling fine. Last spin, give us a win. Come on. We're going to leave 27p down. Put £10 through, 27p down. Overall, we can't complain. Got to say, that was a pretty fair slot, haven't we, guys, really? Pretty fair indeed. It could have gone the other way. We could have left £10 in profit on the other way. But to be put £10 through and to be 27p down, overall, not a bad gaming experience. The slot was quite visually nice as well, wasn't it? What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. It don't cost you anything to comment, like, and subscribe. It's completely free. That's even more low budget than my gambling channel. So come on, get on with it.